All right, back on the 63 Ford F100. We're gonna put the backing plate on the block, bolt the drive plate on, and connect the engine and transmission, and then hopefully we'll be able to get it in today. Little bit of Loctite on the threads goes good. Okay, I got another tube that's coming in. This one's kind of like not really that good looking, so I'm gonna get rid of that. It doesn't have the tab here that's broken to where you screw it onto the bell housing. Well, we got the bell housing connected, the torque converters connected, the starters on. I went ahead and got all the headers put on, got the motor mount brackets on there and both sides. So I think we're ready to put it in, drop it in, and see how far I could go in today. It's a very sunny day, so let's go ahead and put this on. Well, the engine's in, got the exhaust bolted up, all the mounts are properly secured. Did some of the wiring connections already on it. The shifter is already adjusted. It's locking. It's going into park. Got my two tranny lines. This is my makeshift transmission cross member. Actually, it's a piece of angle iron. I cut it and sunk it down like a half an inch, so it worked good. Instead of spending a gazillion bucks on a new cross member, just made myself that one, and it works good. Not pretty, but it works. That's what this is all about. And I'm waiting for the new dipstick tube. That's why we're missing that bolt right there. That's gonna hold on to the tube right there, and this is my ground. So that's where we're at with this thing. Let's get back to work.